open your Google and you can type Canva, and you can open any of this. Then you're gonna open this where there is this logo, this website here. Then you can click here, home. Click here, home. You find in this side here all the things that Canva can do. But now, later on, I will explain one by one. Now, in this video, do not take time. I want to make a logo. So, I will create here. You have on the side here the menu, what you can create. But now, also here on the side, I want to create a logo here. So, you press. And if you can see on the side, we open a lot of designs here on the side. That is already see. For example, you can look on this on the top here. Is already there is some examples what kind. For example, I want to make a logo for food. Okay, I click on food. There is already here some already designs. You see which one you like more, and you can just click. Let's choose one. Just I will show you. And who doesn't know about Canva, see, you can see this crown here written Pro. It means you cannot use them the free version, because Pro this means it is a paid one, but you have a lot of option. You don't need to, if you don't want. For start, if you want to use Canva only for to design a logo, you can do it for free. See, this is free, this is free, this is free. There is no crown here. You can use a lot, and then you just change. You can design. There is a lot of option. You have to use your creativity. You can choose this one, for example, and you can do something even better than the one paid one. Sorry. Okay, let's choose, for example, this. I will choose. I am paying for Canva. I can use any of these. So let me make. I will choose this free one. Okay. So what? Let's change here. Let's change. Let's the name of my shop will be fruit shop. Okay, then you just here on the side you can maximize. If you click here on the side, you can minimize. Here you straight to the side. You can change. It's very easy. Once you change one time, all the time you do same. You can change. See, if you don't like this this letter, you can change here on the side. You can change. See, it's up to you what you want to use. You see what more suitable for your business or for your social media, whatever you are doing for. I will leave this one. I like this one. You can change color. If you can see here in this A, if you press, you can change the color for the color you want. I need to click first, then change. See, if I want to change, you can leave. I will leave red. Fruit shop. Okay. Cookies. Here you can delete if you like. You can delete, and if here you want to put, for example, fruit, uh, you can come here to elements and write on the top here fruit. Just and press enter. If you can see graphics here, there is a lots of options. You can press CO. It's going to show you so many options. There is photos, there is videos, there is frame, graphics. I want graphics. So let me see which fruit I will choose. Uh, I actually was looking for a basket of fruit, but I will choose this one. It's very simple. You can choose it also colorful. It's pretty ugly. It's fine. I'll delete. It's just to show you how to do it. How it's simple to do a logo in Canva. And then you can use anything. You can use your imagination. You just go here to elements. Let me delete. You can use anything you want. You can um, see shapes. You can use shapes. For example, I want to use this one, this shape. I maximize here. I want to put, for example, this shape, the word inside this shape. So what I do, I come here, transparency. I make this transparent. Okay, see. You can make a logo like this. You can use another one. There is lots of option. You have to use your imagination. You can minimize here on the side. You can put only the basket inside here. You can change the colors. You can even animate, but you don't want to animate now, later on. If you want me to do more a logo. Sorry, my battery just finished. So now what we will do, we will save it. Let's save in the desktop. Let's download. You can save the format you want, but it's better you save as a picture. Okay, let's download. Uh, I'll save as fruit shop. Okay. And, and then you can just go to your um, desktop and you'll find it there. Thanks for watching this video today. I didn't plan anything on this video. I just opened my computer and I did. This is my first video, so please don't complain. I will do better videos. Um, this is my first one, but actually I wanted to see how bad I know and I think is this video. How much improvement I will be in the next videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.